Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can fix the failure in the game Roblox. What to do if you have it does not work, hangs, and dumb. Show you how to fix it. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. But if on your phones, it can be Android or iPhone crashes and does not work Roblox. Then in order to fix it, the first thing you need to do is go to Settings. Then scroll down to the bottom. Here we open Apps. Then open Manage Apps. And then in the search box, we're gonna write Roblox here. We're gonna write Roblox. We're gonna find it. We're gonna go in here. Open it up. Click on Storage. Then we need to clear the cache. Click Clear Cache. After that, go to the game Roblox. Check if this method will help us. If not, try to clear the cache and all the data. But right away, I want to warn you that it is possible to clear your account. But if there are no other options, you'll have to do it. Another thing you can do is go to the Play Store app on your device and try to search for the word Roblox. And also update the app to the latest version. Try updating. If this method doesn't work, you still have your Roblox app freezing. You try to delete it from your phone. After you delete it, go to Roblox, then maybe you will have it working and will not freeze. Well, and the last way is to try to reboot your phone. To do this, press the off button. Press reboot, and then turn it on again. These were such simple ways that should help you. If you do not work and hangs the game Roblox on your devices. If you helped and liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Thank you very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.